proof that it takes time to heal. Feel more poorly and poorly out. Poorly I am in hospital, more poorly. And then I get a treatment. Walking I'm feeling maybe much more better now. I've got my test result. The checkup.